The US president, Vivek ignored our president. Our president is very important, boss. Oil price at 3 rupees, huh? Okay, so all uploaded your GSTs? Not yet, huh? Yeah. So let's get straight into the subject. So how was last month? April month, all enjoyed. What was so great in April? IPL, Vijay, negative. Return became negative? Oh, this is 1 year return, okay. Last month was a good month for entire world. There was only, among all the large economies, there was only one country which closed negative last month. Everybody else was positive. But we were nowhere. The countries grew at 26%, 20%, 19% in 1 month. So this is the last 1 year as of the month end. 1 year we are -4 in Sensex, Nifty -1, Nifty 500 is plus, Bank Nifty is good plus, repo rate has gone down, 10-year GSEC has gone up, other things are all, yeah, crude is 65% up. So GST, the burning issue for nobody, yeah? So one is, of course, if you are GST registered, you have to inform the AMCs, and you have to register, your registration has to be there, then only you will get the money. So CAMS portal has still not given out the invoices. So the date for this month alone is extended till 25th. Every month you will have to upload it before 15th to get the money by 25th. This month alone it is extended. I am not from MP. Tell me. Not compulsory. If your income is above 20 lakhs, it is compulsory. If your income from all sources is above 20 lakhs, it is compulsory. Don't try to avoid these things and all that. Anyway, it doesn't make any difference. If you pay GST, you will receive it back. Otherwise, you won't. 600 new distributors joined SIF today, stands at 6338 distributors. Mutual fund last month was how much? Closing was 79.21. Now we are at 82 lakh crore. So, listed AMCs on the AUMs are roughly making 0.41%. Sir, thoda share karo, sir. On the AUM, they are making, it's only the listed ones, unlisted ones are making more. They don't share. This comes in the public domain. SIP, President was very sad about SIP. I don't know, first time today I have seen President in a very negative mood. But yeah, SIPs have grown. Absolute number. This was one of the news, I don't know what it means. Don't ask me the name of the MFD. He's from Chennai. Anybody knows? Don't, okay. So I don't know why this had to come into the... Okay, so some good point which you can take to your clients. SIP investors need hand-holding. They do or they don't? Yes. Who has to hold their hands? We have. Both the hands, don't pull their legs. Okay. So the SIP account, this was actually I had presented 1 year back. So accounts which are over 5 years old have actually declined end of this year. The SIPs which are more than 5 years old have declined by 11%. These are numbers. Direct SIP accounts have declined by 35%. 35%, 5-year-old. Regular plans have declined by only 4%. So people asking you why direct and all that, this is what happens. So this is a global market performance in the year 26, which I was telling you. Korea, 1 month, April month gave 30%. We were at what? Last month, how much was our return? Sensex Nifty return? Last 1 month, nobody tracks. It was 7.5. Yeah. And this is the 1 year return. I mean, this is something which I couldn't even imagine. Korea's 1 year return is 158%. In the history, I don't think Nifty has ever given 158%. So this is 1 year return of Korea. Taiwan, Japan. How many people here keep telling their clients no return in Japan for last 30 years? 64% last year. S&P 500, 28%. India was minus, of course. UK was also good, 21%. Singapore, Brazil was 36. So I think the entire world has done well. It should be our turn now. This is last month figure of various segments. So Nifty, as you can see, is 7.46. Nifty 500 is 10.5. Power, realty, capital goods have done very well. Forex reserves is increasing continuously. So no travel, Bhadresh, yeah, no more travel abroad and all that. Santosh also. Vivek Karwa is going Pied Piper of Hamelin, all of you are going along with him. So conserve some Forex. GST collection made a record last month, 2.43 lakh crores. April 25 was 2.36 lakh. After that it come down and now again it has made a new high. This of course we are seeing every day. FIS take out, we invest. It's continuing even now. I'm not representing any political party. This is from Bloomberg. They are showing it from 2014. I don't know why. The markets were there before also. So this is typically how the GDPs have grown. The inflations have come down. Fiscal deficit is actually coming down. Oil was high, came down and gone back. Of course, INR USD always goes up. And our reserves are coming up continuously. GST collection is also going up. So this is the returns over the last 3 years. Sensex, 10 years is 11.63. Mid caps is 17.64. Small cap is 14.65. And of course, coloring, I do not know. This is also from Bloomberg. So where we stand today from the peak of September 24, end of last month, mid cap is only 1% away from the peak. Small cap is 6.2% and Nifty is 4.9% away. So very soon we'll see new peaks. I think President should, yeah. And new fund launches have really dried up. I think nobody is selling, or AMCs are flushed with money, or SIFs is being launched. So yeah, I think NFOs are only one NFO which can actually, affect us. And quickly, time is not running out. Okay, then let me tell something about, what is that? Sir, how much loan do you have? Only? Sir, Shah sir, how much loan have you got? No loan. Okay. So world is under debt. I just thought I'll just take this out. Who has got higher loan here? Nobody has loans, huh? Many people have loans, no? So world entire economy. So basically, this was a study basically saying that if your debt to GDP crosses 130%, historically many of the countries have, defaulted. That's been the history. So US is very close to it now. We are at where? What is our debt to GDP? 56% central government alone. Yeah, both the governments, if you add, it is around 80 something. Yes. So this is where we all stand. Advanced economies, it is 113%. Emerging markets is 74%. Global average is 94.7. So everybody is under debt. Ashok says he is not under debt. All of them are dead. Who's lending them? Ashok sir. Somebody has to lend, no? So here also a lot of us take loans. Banks take loan or they give loans? They first take loan, then only they can give. No? So they are also, borrowing. Companies are borrowing. So everybody is borrowing. And these are some of the numbers which you see. Japan is at 230%. Sudan, of course. Singapore is 176%. But Singapore takes debt to invest. So creates more. Lebanon. So I just thought, and don't think I'm having this beard and changing my getup because I have loans and all. So this is again some of the scary. United States is at 125%. China 96. All are under debt. Ring the bell, yeah. Acha. Okay. Thank you.